Kotak Mahindra Bank share split explain, 5 rupees to 1 rupee face value, what it means for retail investors. Kotak Mahindra Bank has announced a subdivision, commonly known as a share split, of its equity shares. Under this action, the face value of each equity share has been reduced from 5 rupees to 1 rupee. This means that every one existing share of 5 rupees face value will be split into 5 shares of 1 rupee face value each. For retail investors, it is important to understand that a share split does not increase or decrease the total value of your investment. If you held 100 shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank before the split, you will hold 500 shares after the split. While the number of shares increases, the market price per share adjusts proportionately, keeping the total investment value unchanged. Looking at the authorized share capital, Kotak Mahindra Bank was earlier authorized to issue 280 crore equity shares of 5 rupees each, amounting to 14,000 crore rupees. After the split, the authorized equity shares increased to 1,400 crore shares of 1 rupee each, but the total authorized equity capital remains exactly the same at 14,000 crore rupees. There is no change in the preference share capital, which continues as earlier. In terms of issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital, before the split the bank had around 198.91 crore rupees equity shares of 5 rupees each, totaling approximately 9,945.49 crore rupees. After the split, the number of equity shares increases to about 994.55 crore rupees shares of 1 rupee each, while the total paid-up equity capital remains unchanged at 9,945.49 crore rupees. This clearly shows that the split only changes the number of shares and face value, not the capital itself. From an investor's perspective, the main objective of a share split is to improve liquidity and affordability. A lower share price post-split can make the stock more accessible to retail investors and increase trading volumes in the market. However, it is not a bonus issue, dividend, or value creation event by itself. In summary, Kotak Mahindra Bank's share split is a structural adjustment aimed at improving market participation and liquidity. Existing shareholders do not lose or gain value purely because of this action, but may benefit indirectly from better liquidity and wider retail participation over the long term.